today we are happy because now the production has started, as you've seen from the inside, and I'm sure even the employees, when you talk to them, they all are very happy. And we've come, as you've seen, to agreement with the KRA, and we've all agreed that going forward, we'll be able now even to continue solving things in a more, whatever is administrative, we do it in an administrative way. Whatever is about ADR, we do it in an ADR way, so that the KRA now can be seen also supporting the local entrepreneurs. The areas that are not in dispute between us and KRA, we'll agree to pay in the next 24 months in a progressive way. Given that we pay it in a progressive way, meaning we appreciate what the KRA has done, so that we are able to continue, we are able to move forward with these cases, and we worked. Yes.
In those 3 months that you had, because basically quantified number of losses.
Yeah, let's say we've lost a lot because remember, the lifting of the curfew and the opening of the bars was done on 20th October last year, 2021. So we are now preparing to get into the business. That's a month now, which was high season, December, then again January, and then now we talk of February, and even this March. So we are talking a whole quarter of our company not having worked. But we are hopeful that we will catch up. Now, their favorite brands will be out of this brand now to the market, let's say from tomorrow.